Hey, what is up, YouTube? How's it going, everyone? Sparky Marky Mark here, back to do a review and unboxing for a certain item. And this is going to be a different item that you're going to be seeing in this video, even if you can read by the title. So, anyway, how's everyone doing so far? Holidays are coming around the corner. Everyone's going up the heezy with the holidays and such, and among other things. And we're a few weeks, or about a week or two away from 2020 and entering the 2021. So, yeah, maybe on the last video, I'm going to say goodbye 2020 so far and welcome to 2021. So, what I'm about to show you is a snake eye tactical outdoor rescue knife. And what kind of knife? Is it small? No way. This is what you're looking at, folks. Oh. There's a different knife. Maybe that's a knife. Huh. Yep. That ain't no knife. I mean, oh, before I unbuckle this, I'm going to tell you another thing. You're going to need to fit this around your belt loop. You're not going to like insert, you have to insert it when you put your belt inside, and then it can hold. I'll show it to you in a different video, of course. But let's see what it is. Oh, Majesty. Ready? And look at the sheath. Oh, the sheath is very, very good. Very fabric. Ready? Aim. Whoa. That's a knife. Like Crocodile Dundee. That's not a knife. That's a knife. Whoa. Even we could watch my Seiko Arnie right here and compare with this knife. It's a little bit feel of Commando. Anybody fan of action movies, whether it be Arnold Schwarzenegger and Sylvester Stallone, this is the knife you definitely ought to get yourselves. Telling you. It's steel, man. Whoa. Snake eyes. Snake eyes. Yes. Good handle, good detail. Ooh, this is badass. You can lift this with wires. Like, ooh, very barbed wires. Very nasty. Sharp edge point, giving you the feel of it. You put the knife in me. Look me in the eye. Look what's going on in there when you turn it. Yeah, that's what you want to do. I'm saying a little line that the character Matrix, played by Arnold Schwarzenegger, says to the henchman villain, right before they go mano-y-mano or duel to the death with each other. Yeah. And like I said before, anybody wants to see Commando, hope you guys got your own copy. I mean, seriously, man, it's a quintessential 80s action films and started the trend of action films. And really, and of course, I don't know if you see the same knife that Arnold Schwarzenegger uses on one of the bad guys. It's a different knife, like a tactical machete, where he takes it out of his wrist and yanks it on the dude on the wall, and he says the line, "Stick around." I mean, look at this. This is one hell of a knife. Anybody want to see a full view of it? I'll be glad to show you the angle. There we go. Now pause that, folks. Pause it very carefully. There, that's a good angle. I'm serious, dude. I bought this knife a year prior to the pandemic happening. Around the fall, of course. And I gotta say, since then, I've been on hooked with this knife. I love it ever since. Heck, I could wear it. I could, like, take it out anytime, look at it, observe it. And I don't even know what year this knife came out, to be honest with you. Alright? This knife's been around for, like, I don't know how many years. I don't even know the company Snake Eye. I'd be lying to you if I did have knowledge of this item. Seriously, I have no idea what is it about. Really. If anybody knows the actual release date, let me know in the comments down below. Also, for any knife collectors out there I'm following, I'll leave you a link in the description box for one of them. Like, say, let's see. IJustine, who's a big collector of products, iPhones, and other things. She has quite a few knife collections, and she had something of the Gator Bowie knife. This is a Gator Bowie knife, but it's known as the Snake Eye Tactical Bowie knife. Gator Bowie knife, to be exact. And I gotta say, this is one heck of a design, whoever created this. So shout outs to the creator who made this, to the people involved. And I gotta say, even look at it from this angle, that angle, this angle, or use it with your right hand if anybody's good with it. Heck, even for tacticals, even anybody remembers playing Call of Duty Black Ops, the game, it comes like this, $3,000. You have enough money, you get it. Does the shiny, sharp noise, and then the character you're playing puts it in the sheath. Yeah, and anytime you're fighting a zombie, it does this. Like that. And of course, I think this thing could cut through anything. It cuts through tape. I'm not so sure. I never took outdoorsing. I haven't been doing much around this year. Again, 2020 has been a hard year for everybody. And like I said in the previous videos, of course, it has been a good year for watches and physical medias and stuff like that, and among other things. But all in all, dudes and dudettes, this is indeed one of the best knives ever made. Even, of course, like I said, if you've seen the Sylvester Stallone films like Rambo or Expendables, as well as Arnold Schwarzenegger in some of his action films, including the Expendable films, you would notice the differences of the knives. Man, but this is one hell of a design. No lie there. Let's take one last look. Pause that very carefully, y'all. Pause it if you will. So yeah, shoutouts to that thing. I'm gonna also leave you a link to Kyle. Also Kyle the 13 has this particular knife, but dude, he names it Sheila. The heck? It's what he likes. It's what he loves. And this is one heck of a knife, and I believe in the eyes of point of view for any collectors out there, would definitely love to get this. I bought this on eBay cheap for like 20, 18, maybe 22 bucks. Heck, this is a must knife for any collector out there. And I'm serious. For anyone who wants to get their hands on one. So shout out to the thing about the physical media collectors, toy collectors, knife collectors, and other collectors out there. Also, this other YouTuber lives in Texas, of course. His name is Execto, X4TCO, Execto. Shouts to you, man. He collects knives as well. He has a great knife collection, some revolver collections or something like that, as well as watch collections. He collects G-Shocks as well, with some other two brands on the side. So, yeah. So, shouts to all you collectors out there. Be safe. God bless you. Feliz Navidad. And have a very healthy and safe holiday. This is Sparky Marky Narc hanging with the Bowie and the Arnie on. Out of here. See you all soon. Feliz Navidad.